Good afternoon, everyone. Brian Condit coming to you from Second Wind Trucks in Sibley, Louisiana. Today, we're offering a 2012 337 Peterbilt. The interesting thing about this truck is the GVWR is 26,000 pounds for this truck, meaning it's an under CDL truck. We've spent approximately a month, a little bit over a month, refurbishing this truck, going through it from front to back and taking care of everything we could possibly find wrong. Some of the things we've done to it, as you can see, we have new tires on the drive axle all the way across. The truck has new brakes all the way around. The main hydraulic valve was leaking whenever it came to us. We pulled it off and sent it to a hydraulic shop, and it was completely redone and gone through and working perfect now. The hydraulic tank had a leak on it. We took care of that. Let's see. The truck, we generally put new batteries on the trucks, but this one, the batteries are less than a year old, so they're in excellent condition. Let's see here. We've replaced a lot of mirrors on this truck. We've checked the rear end fluid levels. We've inspected the front steer axle hub oil level. As you can see, the entire container handler has been repainted. Let's see. We had some rear light issues, so we went ahead and put new LED lights to be able to back up to the containers. We've taken care of the radiator, had to clean it out. Windshield washer fluid was not working. Nonetheless, we've done quite a bit of work on this truck. Let's take a look under the hood. Go ahead and start the engine. The truck has 96,800 miles and 7,100 hours. We're currently today going to be asking the price of $75,000 for this truck. I'll go ahead and take a look inside right now. One of the things about this truck is it's extremely clean on the interior. Everything works, the AC works, the radio, there's no problems whatsoever. Actually done quite a bit more work to this particular unit. I didn't want to go through everything today with you, but Our work order for this truck is available upon request if you're interested in this truck. Once again, give us a call. We'd love to be able to make you a deal.